Look at what I've got. I'm going to take one. You can take one. Or you want me to throw it? Go on and take it from my hand. No, go on then. Diego, you can have one as well. Ooh. There's one for you, Reggie. Eva's running away in the mouth. Look at how excited the chickens are. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Are you going to take one from my hand? Are you going to do it? I know you want to. Oh, let's give it a squash. There you go. Good girl, Lacey. There's a little smudge coming in. You can have one as well. Ooh, sorry about that. You've got one each. There you go, you can have that one instead. There we go. Oh, smudge. No Name and Elvis looking fine. Okay. Oh, shit. Sorry, love. Bopped her on the head with a tomato. Right. Somebody who will definitely eat one from my hands. There's Rocky Jr. Ooh, it's not going to go. The smaller one. Hi there, little Pearl. Okay, so Dottie will definitely take one from my hand. Hi, baby girl. Look what I've got. Look at your nice soft one. Let me break it. Oh, there you go. Oh no, sorry, I got you a bit wet, didn't I? I got you a little bit wet. You want to try it? Try that one that I've already opened. Ooh. There we go. Get soft bits. Oh yes. Yum, yum, yum. Good girl. I'll leave it down there. Oh, delicious. There's another one. And another one. There we go. You got 5 all to yourself. Good girl. Okay. Tomatoes all over my fingers. Yum, 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 yum. Here they come. Oh, look at that. There we go. I knew Eva would be the first one. The geese have got the strongest beaks. Good girl. I know, there's a whole pile. What are you going to do? Hey, what are you going to do? Diego's going to scare you away. Where's this other little bag? There you go. Eva. The frogs still there? No, they're not. Nope, I need to change this water actually. Oh, fight over a tomato. Got 5 eggs this morning. What's up, peeps? Hey, Lacey. Ronnie's got it now. Eva's like, hang on a minute. There we go. Good girl. Yum, yum, yum. It's Rocky Jr. It's a Wanda. Little Smudge. I think that's Cagney who's gone back inside. All gone. Are you happy with that, Eva? I think you are. Yum, 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 yum. Woo. Go wash your beaks. Oh, Diego. He's such a prick. He's got feathers hanging out of his mouth. Honestly, he might be smaller than them by about half the size, but he's a proper little bastard. He's biting them. Rocky Jr. Oh, he looks like the spitting image of his dad. So happy. Not as handsome as you, though. Oh, fudges. She's probably inside. What are we doing, boys? Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. There's Rocky and Wanda having a little drink together. Where are you going? It's because he's chasing you, that's why. Rrr. Alright, time to go and get the rest of my coffee. You want a coffee? You want to kick up the ass? Stop bullying the geese. Yum, 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 yum.